Hey guys, it's Rob. Welcome back to another video. I got some new winter mats today. Let's check them out and see if they're any good. So just so you know, I actually used the carpeted Tesla mats during the summer. I just think they give a nicer, more luxurious look to the car and feel when you're in the car in the summer. But I don't want to expose them to the New England winters here because it's going to get snowy and it's going to get salty and it's going to really get messy. And I'm going to put these nice carpeted mats away for the winter and put in some all-weather mats. So I grabbed some from Tap Test, which is a Chinese company, as you can maybe tell. They're really nice. They're similar to the 3D Max if you haven't seen those, except they don't have that big 3D Max ugly logo on them. They're an exact Chinese copy of them without the logo. So let's check them out and see how they look. I just want to tell you guys that first of all, they're not a sponsor. I don't get any money. I paid my own money for these. I think they're about $130 for this set. You get the two fronts and the rear. Shipping from China, from what I can tell, because I ordered these in mid-September and here we are almost mid-November and I just got them. So it's like a 2-month lead time. I actually questioned the company at one point saying, hey, where are they? Oh, they're shipping from our US warehouse next week. Please be patient. So, you know, some Chinese lady responded to me. But I finally got them. They're here, so let's unbox them and see what they look like, because I don't know. I've not seen them yet. Alright, so they come in a, once you get them out of the box, they're just in a bag here. Let's see what we got inside the bag. Alright, we have our front mats, and this would be the driver's side, and you can see it's this really nice kind of perforated material here. On the back side, it's got kind of like grippy things, probably grab the carpet pretty nice. So that would obviously be the driver's side, and this would be the passenger side. Give you a look from here. And that's what they look like. Let's check out the back, which would be this piece. Problem with this is they always come folded, so I'm not sure how long it's going to take for this crease to wear out. And I knew that was going to happen, but you know, maybe if I leave it in the sun here for a little bit, it will help it. Or if I probably just put it in the car, and the car's warm when it's sitting in the sun, so I'm sure that'll fold out. But otherwise it looks pretty nice. Yeah, so you don't have that ugly big 3D Max logo, which I mean, they're exact copies of those 3D Maxes, but they have the big ugly logo right on the corner here, which I don't like at all. I don't want to, you know, I want it to look OEM. I don't want it to know, I don't want anybody to know that it's got some branding on it. So yeah, let's get them in the car and see how they look. Alright guys, check it out. I got the passenger side one in, and it really looks really nice. If you can take a look at that, I mean, the fit is really clean all the way around. There's no real gaps. And you know, from this angle, I mean, it looks like it was built by Tesla. I mean, it looks fantastic. So let's get the driver's side and the back in, and then we'll take another look at all of it after we're done. All right, so here's the back. What do you think, guys? I think they look pretty nice. Yeah, they wrap right around the edges pretty nicely. You got a little bump in the middle here from when it shipped, but I mean, that'll flatten out over a few days just sitting in here in the heat. But yeah, I like them. The back looks great. Definitely has that factory look, like from here. If you looked into the seating area, I mean, it really looks like these mats came with the car. Really classy winter mat. I really like them. So far so good. And as far as durability and cleaning them goes, I assume they'll probably be okay for cleaning, and they feel like they're made of a really thick durable material. Here's the front again, and I have the driver's side in as well. Let me show you that. Alright, here's the driver's side mat. Looks pretty good. Doesn't go all the way to the top of the dead pedal. Probably be my only complaint. But it gives most of the protection for it, and they look pretty good. The lips go right around. The finish, the fitting of them in the car is really accurate and well made. There's no spaces or anything where you want to push it down, and it seems to fit the contour of the floor of the car very nicely. So I like them. They look great. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the old mats right into the bag that the new ones came in, and put them in the box and store them like that until the spring, when I'm ready to put these guys back in again. So yeah, that's my tap test mat review. So far I really like them. Check them out if you want. Make sure you give yourself a lot of time for them to come in, because it's about a 2-month wait. But once you get them, I think you'll like them. Link in the description below. I just went to taptest.com on their website and bought them. I think they might be on Amazon. If I can find them on there, I'll put a link as well. Maybe they'll be a little cheaper. I'm not sure. It was free shipping on TapTest, and if you have Prime, it's going to be free shipping as well. These were the nicest ones. I looked at tons of mats for the winter weather, even the Tesla ones themselves, and I really like the look of these, the quality look of them, better than anything else. Of course, everything's whatever you like, get for your car, but for the Model 3, I really like these, and they really give like an OEM look, which is what I was looking for, even more so than the actual winter ones that Tesla offers, which are way more expensive, by the way. But anyway, hope it helped somebody out that's looking for mats, and we'll see you on the next episode of About EVs. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everybody for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click that link up there. It really helps me out and keeps me motivated to make more great content for you guys. And if you want to see more from this channel, click that link over there, or click that link over there. If you made it this far, guys, I owe you a drink. We'll see you next time. Thanks again.